Hey y'all, it's me Marty. Welcome to another video. Quick little one here just to encourage you all, inspire you all to make little things out of wood and to realize that there is no scrap when it comes to woodworking, especially scroll saw woodworking and carving, because there's so many little things you can make out of the smallest pieces of wood. Just wanted to show you just a couple of quick things here and something I made a whole bunch of just in the last couple hours. So, you know, I do scroll saw woodworking. I do have other kinds of woodworking too, but, and I've made some bigger things here and there in life, you know, and different things, especially custom orders and gifts and stuff. But for the most part, I like scroll sawing. I like making word art and puzzles and little things. And there's so much you can do out of the smallest pieces of wood. If you could see my shop right now, I have stacks and stacks of small pieces of wood, cut-offs from different projects. I have a bin here filled with cut-offs, all kinds of things stacked on my workbench and by my saw and the shelves. Stacks and stacks and stacks of little things, little pieces of wood that are ready to cut, and I have things traced out and ready to cut, just different little things. And so here's just a few things. You know, y'all know I like to make word art, so you know, I like to make little hugs. And these are my patterns, my templates for making them. Little hugs, my Jesus words. Kind of hard to see. I should have a white backdrop here. My Jesus words. The smile. Whoop. Oh, good night. Always dropping things. Oh, getting old, y'all. Can't get down there and I can't get up again. My smiles. Jesus fish, and other word art, you know, this pattern for the love yous, and then this you and me little design thing there. Thanks, little thing I made, just like a little thanks word art. Joy, I like making these joys, especially at Christmas time. And then the 3D reindeer, here's the template for making the 3D reindeer. And then other things, prayer crosses, and lots of Christmas ornaments. You've seen different Christmas ornaments, you know, made all different Christmas ornaments out of thin 1/4 inch little cutoffs. Well, here's a little tiny little Jesus fish. So it's like a keychain or necklace one. Another little Christmas ornament, a little nativity scene there. This is actually a little gecko. And a little heart thing with a cross in it that I made. Made those for kids for our children's church one time. And actually for a men's Bible study one time, just give them out a little cross and a heart. Tiny little pieces of wood. And then like a little pocket cross like this. So just to show you that there is no scrap in woodworking, especially scroll saw woodworking, because even the smallest little piece of wood, whether it's thick, like 3/4 inch or 1 inch thick, or 1/4 inch or 1/8 inch, you can make things. Look at this. I have a bowl here of 80, count them, 80, well, they're kind of hard to count right now, 80 little pocket crosses I just made. I made them in less than 2 hours, 80 of them. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to be on the road for Easter. I just have to work, so I'm going to miss Easter at home this year. So I'm going to be on the road. So I thought I'd make something for our church, for all the kids and adults, the congregation, just from me, just a little gift because I won't be able to be there on Easter. And so I made everybody a little pocket cross. And I'm going to sand them, and then I'm going to dip them in Danish oil, and then I'm going to clear coat them. I'm going to put them in a little wood bowl and have them at church, so that when everybody comes in Easter morning, everybody gets a little cross, just, you know, a little gift from me, but it's more about Jesus, and just to remember the cross and what he did for us and what he does for us. So just to show you, I mean, a little piece of wood, and here's what I cut them out of. That's the scrap, if you will, but actually you could probably get even more things out of that little piece there. But, you know, so these are out of all different pieces of hardwood and softwood, mostly hardwood, but 1/4 inch, gosh, I got maple and cherry and walnut and mahogany and oak, and I even got some yellow heart in here, and just different woods. I used oh, let's see, what did I use? A number 3 Flying Dutchman blade, and the speed was 1200 RPMs on my scroll saw. I have a variable speed one. That works really good for cutting thinner stuff. And yeah, they turned out really nice. Yeah, so they'll be a nice little gift for everybody at church for Easter. So yeah, just to show you that even the smallest pieces of wood can be made into wonderful gifts. You know, here's the Christmas ornament I made this past year. You know, I have a bunch of them still traced out, ready to cut. Little pieces of wood, you know, and I make little hugs, you know, and I got some Jesus words traced out to make here. You know, the smallest piece. I mean, there are people, and I understand a lot of people, their woodworking or their hobby or their business, you make cabinets or furniture or whatever. So anything under a foot is kind of scrap or cut-offs, and you can't do much with it. But if you're like me and you do scroll sawing and carving and other kinds of small woodworking, all those little pieces are just prized wood. They really are. And so you can make so many wonderful gifts. And there's lots of other things too. You can make rings. I've made rings before. And I mean, a 1-inch piece of 1/4-inch wood can be a ring or a little pocket cross or little gifts, you know. There's so much you can do with, there's really no scrap. And yes, I still have a scrap bin of stuff that goes to the campfire, you know, and especially like things that has big knots in it or cracks or, you know, 2x4 scraps and stuff like that. But you can't keep everything, but I keep quite a bit because I can make wonderful things to sell once in a while, but more than anything, just wonderful little gifts to give away to other people. So yeah, anyway, quick little video here just to show you a whole bunch of crosses that I just cut out, and I'm going to finish them and give them for gifts for Easter. And yeah, just a few ideas of some other things. You know, I have thousands of patterns hanging around my shop, and binders of patterns and books and magazines of all different things, and I make up a lot of my own patterns too. And just lots of little wonderful gifts that you can make out of those little pieces of wood that you think are scrap. They're not scrap. There is no scrap, really, because even the smallest piece of wood can be made into a wonderful gift for somebody. So yeah, I just encourage you to do that. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video.